loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a Shein try on haul for you guys. This one is a little bit exciting because I do have two Halloween costumes to show you guys. So their Halloween shop is open. I'm super excited. I do have like a look for less item, well, two items and some really cute fall clothing pieces. So I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I would also appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the Shein haul. So let's start off with accessories and then we will jump into the clothing items. First off, I have this beautiful purse that comes in a bunch of different colors. Everything I show you in today's video will be linked down below, and I will have my sizing next to it as well, so that way it's easy for you to reference the clothes on me. I chose this color because I thought it was perfect for fall and it would go with so many fall outfits. This bag is definitely giving me a look for less. It definitely looks like a designer purse. So this one is really nice. There are no logos on it. The back of it does have a pocket. I love the chevron detail and I love that you can wear it on your wrist, you can wear it on your shoulder, or you can wear it crossbody. Just a FYI, the straps are not adjustable, but they can be taken off if you just want to wear it as a top handle. Also, it does have a couple compartments on the inside, so you have one compartment here, another compartment back here, and you do have a middle zipper compartment as well. So you do have a lot of space in this bag. It's very spacious, it's very cute. Let me take out the stuffing so I can show you a little bit better. So that's what it looks like without all of the stuffing in it. As you can see, it does have quite a bit of room in there, and it does have a zipper in the back there as well, and again it does have another pocket here, so that's great for like sliding your phone in. This is so cute. It feels so soft. This color is beautiful. I really love this color in the fall time, and it does have a snap closure. And to go inside of your new purse, I do have this little card case to show you guys. This one is absolutely adorable. It has a look for less look to it, so very cute. It does have this little pink button here, and if you open it up, that is what the inside looks like. So you can fit some cards in here. It does have slots as well, so you can put some cards there, you can put more cards here, some cash, and then it also has this little zipper compartment here, so you can put some coins in there if you want to. So this is perfect because it's small enough to fit inside of your purse, so you have a cute little card case and a cute little purse. So love these two. Again, everything is linked down below, and now let's move on to the clothing items. Let's first start off with this teddy coat. I love a good teddy coat, and what's really different about this one is the fact that it's not super heavy. I have purchased teddy coats in the past and they were beautiful, but they were super heavy. This one is beautiful and lightweight, and I feel like that's really hard to find. The inside does have this satiny material. It is soft. It does have pockets. I love the fit of this one. It fits me really nice. It fits me like a little bit oversized, which I like. So I like that oversized look. That is what the back of it looks like. It's overall a really nice coat. It does have some buttons here if you want to button it up. I love this coat. I definitely recommend this. Again, this color is a staple in the fall time. You can wear this and your new purse and you'll be good to go. You can wear this over any of the items I'm about to show you. Honestly, you guys, this is my favorite teddy coat so far. It's probably the most inexpensive, but it's my favorite one just because it's lightweight and it's comfortable, and I don't feel like I'm wearing something super heavy on my body, so I definitely recommend this one. Who doesn't love a good trench coat in the fall time, in the springtime? Just all year round pretty much. If it's cool enough, a trench coat is a good idea. This one has a belt, and again, this one is lightweight. I love it. It's so comfortable on. I love the fact that you can actually button it up as well. I like to tie the backs of my coats like this. That way it gives me like a little shape, so I do tend to do that if I know I'm not going to be buttoning up my coat. I really like this one. You cannot go wrong with a black color, a black coat. Again, very simple, very lightweight, perfect to throw over any outfit. It definitely like dresses up your outfit right away, so a trench coat is always a plus. It also has pockets on both sides, which is really nice. Overall, just a good basic coat. Trench coat is always a good idea in the fall time. It's a staple. You can't go wrong with the black color, and it's an easy upgrade to any outfit. Just throw in a trench coat, or even if you have on a an outfit you're not too happy with, throw on a trench coat and no one will know. So let me show you the Halloween costumes first, and then we'll move on to some more fall clothing. So this one is Little Red Riding Hood, and I love the fact that, one, it's super affordable, the material is stretchy, it's really lightweight, and it does have this cute little slit at the side, and this part here can be adjusted so you can make it tighter or looser. It also has adjustable straps here, and it comes with this beautiful cape as well with the hood, so you can wear it that way. It is so cute on. Throw on some black knee-high boots with this and you are going to look so cute for Halloween. So yeah, it's never too early for Halloween shopping in my opinion, so get your costume now before they sell out fast. Next up we have the skeleton costume, and this one is just a good staple costume to have. It does have a zipper in the back, so that's how you would get in and out of it. The material is very stretchy. The only thing I will say about this one is the fact that it is a little bit see-through, so I would suggest wearing something black underneath this, maybe some black leggings and a black shirt or just a black bra or something like that, just so you can't see anything through it. But anyways, it might be really cold on Halloween, so you would want the extra layer because this one is a little bit thin. That's what the back of it looks like. It's a really cute and simple idea. You don't really have to do much for this costume. You can do some makeup as well. You can just throw on a pair of black shoes and you're good to go. Next up we have this really pretty top. I love the color of this top. It is perfect for the fall time. I love fall fashion, as you can tell, because I do have a lot of fall videos out right now, so I would love it if you guys would check them out. This one I love because it is a crop style and it does have like a wrap style to it. It's very comfortable. The material does have like a ribbed look to it, so this one is really cute. It does come in other colors. It fits true to size. Absolutely adore it. And I have another shirt to show you. I love this color as well. I love every single color I got basically. This one is really cute. It's a nice chocolate brown color and I love the little sun graphic on it. This one is a nice lightweight sweatshirt, so it's not super thick. It does have like a fleece lined inside. It is so cute. Again, lightweight, fleeced on the inside but lightweight, you know what I mean? So it's going to keep you warm, but it's not super thick as say like other Sherpa sweaters or something like that. The back of it is plain. Just a really good casual sweatshirt. You can never go wrong with a sweatshirt in the fall time. I think these faux leather leggings would look really great with the wrap top that I just showed you. I think those two would look so good together, and then throw on your teddy coat, wear your purse. You have a whole fall outfit, an entire look, all from Shein. So I really like these because of the button details in the front, and they do come with extra buttons in case one pops off. This fabric is very stretchy and it does have a zipper at the side in case you need help getting it on and off. But I don't think I undid the zipper when I tried this on. I think I just pulled it up and it fit perfectly fine. It is a skinny leg. It is a nice shiny faux leather legging. I love it. I love the look of it. I think it smooths you out a little bit. It is so pretty. This color, again, obsessed. Cannot wait to wear this whole entire Shein outfit because I think it is such a look. This next pair is a pair of skinny ripped jeans. They are super stretchy. That is what the back looks like. The buttons are functioning, so they do work. Also, the belt hoops do work as well. It is so cute. I love this little cutout detail, so if you're into rips and you liked ripped jeans, you're going to love this one. The material on this one is lightweight. It's comfortable on the skin, light on the body. The perfect fall jeans. Next up we have this beautiful date night dress. It is ruched all over, which you guys know I love because it kind of helps me conceal my stomach area. And the material on this one has a medium thickness, so this one you can wear on the shoulder, you can wear it off the shoulder. The shoulders do have some padding in them to help keep them in place. It is just a beautiful midi length dress. I love the wrap style of it. It is so comfortable on. Again, the material is stretchy. I love everything about this dress. Just pair this with some heels and throw that trench coat over this and you have a really cute date night look. And the very last item I have to show you guys is of course a set. You guys know I love my sets. Again, I stuck with the brown color. These are a lightweight jogger style. They are so comfortable on. This cropped sweatshirt is also lightweight. You guys know the color got me. What can I say? They don't have any drawstrings, so they pretty much just sit on your waist. They look so cute on. I love that little ring detail zipper right there. I think it's so cute. It's pretty much just a plain lounge set, but you can definitely lounge in it. You can wear it out. Just pair it with a cute pair of sneakers and you have like a whole entire look. You can throw your teddy coat over this as well with your purse. Just a really cute, comfortable fall look. So that wraps up this very quick Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything again is linked down below. I hope you guys stick around and decide to watch a few more Shein videos. I have other playlists linked down below for you guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe. And again, it's never too early to start shopping for Halloween. So start checking out Shein's site for some costumes because they are super affordable and they are so cute. So yeah, with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.